Hi, welcome along. I've got a rock classic for you today by the Rolling Stones. This is called Jumpin Jack Flash from 1968. I know you're going to like this one. And if you do, please can you do me a massive favour and click on the like and subscribe buttons. It would mean an awful lot. It helps me grow the channel. So without any further ado, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let me show you how that's done, Jumpin Jack Flash. So first off, it's worth mentioning, as you could probably tell by that, we're in the key of B major. Now, when you play the original 1968 recording, it's neither in one key or another. It's intended to be in the key of B. I don't know if the tape's been slowed down or they didn't tune properly that day or what's going on, but it's not even been tuned down like a half step. From the traditional tuning of E down to a D sharp, which happens sometimes. It's just in between. It's like a D sharp sharp or an E flat flat. It's like in between. It's in between chords. So going from future live recordings they did straight after the original. Everything's in the key of B. So I'm going to take this to be in the key of B major. So with that in mind, what we're going to do, we're going to go bar all 6 strings on the 2nd fret, and we're going to hold down strings 4, 3, 2 and 1, but not really play 1, but 4, 3, 2 gives us our B chord, and we're going to go down, 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 down. Got it? And then we've got an E chord, which is just down, down, and then we're going to drop down from our E chord into a chord. But what we're going to do, we're going to hold down strings 4, 3, 2, 1 with our first finger and play the strings 5, 4, 3, 2. So it's A string, D string, G string and B string to give us that really meaty sound. So all together we've got da, 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 E and A. So again, I'll show you that again. So we've got B and then E with 2 downstrokes, with 3 downstrokes in the A, and then back to start again. So we've got, and then we've got A, before we go to the B, we're going to change our strum pattern. We're going to go dig-a-dim, down, up, down. Right, so let me just show you how that's done. So let's start from the beginning. We got down, down, down. So down, 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 down. That's when we double up on the downstrokes. So we got. So let me show you that again. So we've got down, 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 down in the B. Then we go to the E, 2 downstrokes, 3, so 1 and 2 in the A, and then we double up. All downstrokes except for the down, up, down. So start again. So we got B, E, A, back to the B, E, A, down, 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 down. So that's when we do the B. After the very first B, all the B's after that are down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Yeah. Okay, so let's start again. So we got, so B, D, A, down, 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 D to A, down, 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 D to A, down, 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 to B. Then we slide up to the 7th fret bar chord, major shape, B major. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, this is the riff. We've got 2 downstrokes, making sure you make prominent the E string, A string, D string and G string, but mostly the top 3 strings, so we get a nice meaty bassy sound. Hear that? And then what we're going to do, we bar on the 7th fret strings, the A string, the D string, sort of lay in a straight line bar, but we're going to predominantly be playing the A string and the A string, D string, G string, and it's going to go between the 1st finger and the 3rd finger, because we're going to go. So the way that's done is, we're going to down pick on the A string, and then we're going to down pick still on the A string, but this time we're going to go up to the 9th fret with our 3rd finger. So we've got that going on. And then we're going to play the 1st finger, everything the 1st finger is holding down, which is the A string, D string and the G string. Don't go no lower than that. We don't really want them higher notes sounding out. So we want, so you go, and then you go again, B, B. Let me get right to the camera for you. Got it? Right, so we're right close. So we're going to go B chord, 2 strokes down, and then we're going to bring our finger down, bop, and we're going to play the A string on the 7th fret, then on the 9th fret of the A string with our 3rd finger. So we got, and then we're going to play strings 5, 4, 3. And then back to the A, to the B again. It's worth pointing out what we're doing with this side. We're slightly muting the strings, and when I say slightly, I mean slightly, just with the edge of our hand. That's going to be resting on the strings, so when we're striking down, we're just a bit muted, all right? Then what we're going to do, we're going to go for a D chord, which is 5th fret. The way we was doing the B earlier, but this time we're going to be up on the 5th fret. So we've got, you can either do it like this with your 3rd finger, holding down the D string, G string, B string and A string, or you can do it with your little finger and use your 3rd finger to help the little finger press down. Both ways are perfectly fine. So we've got for the chorus, but it's alright. So this is D to the A, and then to a E, which is up there on, if we bar down on the 7th fret, and then put our 3rd finger or our little finger the other way. So we've got, but it's up. So D, A, E, back to B. But it's D, A, then the E, E, B, B, B. So we've got that in the B. So let's go through that chorus again. So we've got D, down, 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 up, down, up. And then we're back to the riff again. We'll take you through that again. So we got D. So down, 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 up, down, up. A. Then we got the E. B. And again, D, A, E, then up down in the B, so you do. And then double up. Got N2, N3, N4, N1, N2, N3, N4, N. So there we have it, Jumpin Jack Flash by the Rolling Stones. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions you might have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, please do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe for me, with a big thank you going out to those that have liked and subscribed already. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Look after yourselves. See you again soon. Bye-bye.